recording.
Alright, I'm gonna let you guys see just how bad the road is through here. I typically do not record through here. Ugh. This road is bad. I don't know if you can tell the yellow line. There's sections of the center of the road that it's just one continuous pothole. The patchwork is shabby. The road here is falling off the mountain because every time that I-40 closes, for some reason the trucks think that this is a shortcut. This is not a shortcut. If you're a truck driver and you're watching this, this is not a shortcut. A 50-foot trailer does not make it through this road. But you can see from the skid marks, one has tried, a bunch have tried. This road is just trash from the trucks from I-40. But these skid marks are from a trailer being drug up here. Yeah. Here's the official Fontana Village. Years. 20 years I've lived here full time, and I've never been to Fontana Village. The most I've ever done is I used to stop at this store. That store is actually pretty cool. But the road that store does is like Hellbender or something like that. I don't. Yeah, they just make up names to attract people. But that store's never really attracted too much motorcycle business. I've never gone by there and seen it full of motorcycles. Let me just say that. Not like you do the Deal's Gap store or the Tail of the Dragon store. Both of those are pretty popular. Alright, we're coming up on the dam now. You see how bad this road is. It needs to be repaved. It just needs a good coat of asphalt on the top of it. So there's the bridge going back into Swain County. There's the river, lake, whatever you want to call it, between dams. And now let's start a better video. This road's not much better either. It needs to be paved, but I'm going to start another video. I'm out. Hit the thumbs up.